Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my good friend up around PA, Mr. Thomas. Tom, got you ready to go, bud? Our tune alignment, unlock the clarifier for you, high cut noise filter on the back, Toshiba voltage regulator, wideband receive, cap upgrades. This thing is ready to rock and roll. Let's just get right to it, Tom. We're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. I can set it 3 watts all the way down. That way you have full adjustability. I'll roll it all the way up. $30 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 63 bird. 250-watt slug and peak. Hello. About 155 PEP. And let me show you the talk back. Not that you might not run it, but I like showing off this Driver Extreme mic.
1 2 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. The Driver Extreme speaker. Truck in the Bluegrass Truck, cbsales.com.
And let's see. Show you right here a spectrum analyzer. Hello. That is a 50 megahertz sweep. Up here on the oscilloscope.
1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1.
All right. So you're good to go there. All right, my friend, I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.